Good afternoon, and today I'm down in Bracknell with Dan's L200 Raging Bull, one of the limited editions. Really nice truck, and today we're doing a stage 3 clean. This truck hasn't got any issues or anything, all running well. Just in a stage 3 clean for just to keep on top of it, really. I've already done, you put in my stage 2 cleaner, which is cleaning the injectors and the fuel rails for us, and I've also applied my stage 3 cleaner for the EGR and the turbo, and at the moment we're just about halfway through running hydrogen through, so it's been on for about 20 minutes now. And once the hydrogen's done its work, the truck should be more responsive, quieter and more economical. Okay.